Hello everyone, my name is Sude and this is my CS50 project for network. If you are ready, let's start. If you want to tweet or read or like tweets, firstly you must log in. You can create a new user. If you click this button, it will redirect you to this page. And if you fill in the info, you can create a new user. I created two for you, Sude and the other user is Rumeysa. So let's log as Sude. Now we are logged. You can see all posts and now the interface shows the posts. Let's create a post. I will write here. Then you click this button. So here we created the posts. We can see the information about the post, date, time, number of likes, and here we have pagination. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 posts per page. And if we go to the next one, you can see the other ones here. We have less than 10, so it's last page. We can also check the user's profile. So, for example, let's see about the user Rumeysa. You can see how many people follow the user. So, how many people follow you for and how many people you for is following in this case. I will follow you for. So you can see that now it says someone is following. Then down here you can see only the profiles posts, and if you try to see our own profile, it will be the same view, but instead we can't follow ourselves. And also in the all posts view, so here we have the all posts filed, but if you want to see only the posts from the profiles you follow, you can click here. In the following here, you can see only these posts so far. For example, if you follow no one, let's just unfollow you. If you're following no one, you can see there is no post to be seen. Now, let's continue to edit. We are logged. We can edit only our posts. So let's put an exclamation mark in the end. We can save it or we can cancel and everything goes back. So let's save it. And that's it. Finally, I can like or unlike a tweet. So you just need to click in the heart icon and that's it. You will like the posts. Thank you for watching.